Part A here, we have the part B here, that is our Resin Art, epoxy resin. Then we have our plastic cups, transparent plastic cups. We have our weighing scale, then mask and gloves. And last but not least, we have our mold. So this is our first Resin Art, and we have powder, Mica powder. Yeah, Mica powder. We have the purple one, we have the white one, we have the black one, we have the blue one. Then we have glitters, gold glitters, and silver glitters. I'm Kenny Detieno. Welcome. So instead of popsicle sticks, we are going to use our spoons for today as we make arrangements for popsicle sticks. So we are first going to do our measurements, and we are going to power on our electric weighing scale. You can see the graduation is at 0. It is reading 0. We are going to take our plastic cup, put it right there. Then we start with the part A. We open our part A. Open and look at the reading. This one is like this one is the plastic itself is 2 grams. So we are going to put like let us put 24, 25, 20, 28. So remember, we are mixing these in a ratio of 1 to 1. So the transparent cup was 2 grams, and we have put like 28. 28, that is part A of the resin. We have put 26, right? So 26 plus 26?
52.
52. 52 plus 2.
58.
52 plus 2 is
54.
So we are going to put the part B of the resin. So it's supposed to be 54.
54.
So we had 2 of these. It's supposed to be 54.
54.
We had 1 gram of this one.
1 gram or 2 grams?
So it is 56.